I'm going to discuss about elastic load balancers. So elastic load balancers, it distribute traffic across EC2 instances in one or more available zones in a single region. So it distributes traffic among different EC2 instances, and it is a managed service. So it is managed by AWS so that it is highly available, and also it auto scales the traffic depending upon the load. And load balancers can be a public or private, and also load balancers check the health of the EC2 instance and then route the traffic to the healthy instances. So let us understand the load balancers using an example. Understand the load balancer using an example. So suppose we are having three servers. Two, three. So let's name it as server A. So it has capacity to handle 1000 requests. So let's assume 1000 requests. Let's name it as server B. It has capacity to handle around 1500 requests. Let's name it as server C. It has capacity of around 2000 requests. 200. So let's put a customer. Let's assume a customer is trying to access a page that is hosted on server A. So let us assume that the server A exceeded its handling capacity, so it can handle only 1000 requests. So it has exceeded its capacity. So now if we place load balancer in front of these servers, it is also known as a traffic manager because it manages the rows of all the traffic. So let's erase this. So now when customer trying to access a web page that is hosted on server A, instead of directly requesting the server, now the request is sent to the load balancer, and the load balancer will let us connect the servers to the load balancer. So now after placing the load balancer in front of these servers, now whenever a customer trying to access a web page that is posted on any of the servers, so it does not the request does not go directly to the server. Instead, the request is sent to the load balancer, and then load balancer checks which server is ready to take the request. Like if the server A is busy, the request is redirected to the server B. If the server B is busy, it is redirected to the server C. So it acts a traffic manager, and it is very useful because by using load balancer, we can distribute traffic among available servers so that it provides a better experience for the customer. So this is about the load balancer.